Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Statistics. If you are seeing my videos first time, then do subscribe. In this tutorial, I am going to explain how to find correlation coefficient in MS Excel. Okay, we all know that correlation is one of the statistical method that will be used to linear association between the two continuous variables. Means, for example, I have four variables a, b, c, d. Okay, in correlation we have bivariate correlation, then we have partial correlation, then we have multiple correlation also. First we will see bivariate correlation. With there are correlation also we can find two ways in MS Excel. You can find manually by applying CORRELE command. Otherwise you can use go to the data analysis. Okay, data pack, then go to the data analysis, then you can do correlation also. First we can see by manually. Okay, this is also Spearman rank. Okay, for example, I need to find the correlation between a and b. Okay, a and b, a and b. For finding correlation I already discussed, equal to correlation CORREL is a command. Then we need to select arrays. Here see, array 1 range is from A22, okay, A22, A21, A21. This is one array. Then second array is B22, B21. This is our second array. Okay. See here I got point. See here, for correlation between A and B I got 0.73407, and means getting positive correlation with high positive correlation. Means when we have 0.5 or more than 0.5, we can say that high positive correlation coefficient. In the same way we can calculate for B and C also. Okay, B and C. For finding B and C we can just do this. Okay, for B and C we got 0.690869. In the same way you can calculate B and D also. Okay, B and D. Then we can calculate A and C. Then you can calculate A and D with AB complete, BC complete, BD complete. Now we come to the CA complete, CB is complete, CD is enough. C and D, C and D. Okay, then we have D and C. Okay, when you increase this formula tab, you automatically get the correlation values of these things. Okay, this is the manual way of finding correlation. You can plot the graphs also. Okay, you can plot the graphs. How we can plot the, for example, I need to plot the graph of A and B. Okay, for graphing purpose I use scatter plot. Go to the insert, then here scatter plot. Okay, press on scatter plot. Here different types are available. You can press what you want. Okay, for example I can press this. Here I got this type of scatter plots. You can apply here. See here again you can change the format also. Here xy plots are there. Now you can apply area, bar, pie, line, but for two variables we can use square plot. Okay, this is the graphical representation of correlation coefficient. This is totally manually. Now we can see how to calculate by using data analysis toolpack. By data analysis toolpack it is easy to calculate. Okay, first just go to the data, then press on data analysis. Okay, how data analysis come, I already told you how we can add the add-ins and all things also. Okay, then you can go for correlation. Okay, press on. Okay, then you give the input range. Okay, this is my input range. Okay, here labels are in first row, so labels are in first, it automatically takes as a column wise. For example, I need output range in this row. Okay, okay, this is our output range. Okay, see, this is our correlation matrix. Okay, this is our correlation matrix. Okay, Okay, this is our see this is our correlation matrix. Okay, here we have for correlation between A and A is always 1, then B and A are A and B. Here AB also same 0.734, for A and C 0.045. Okay, for B and C 0.253 and A and D 0.631, like that. Okay, here D and C is 0.42. Here same values can be lies between here also.